So in the mail today, I got my RocksBox for the month of September, and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. So here is the RocksBox box with the pretty little bow and the rose-colored letters. That is how your jewelry comes every month. So the first thing I pull out is the care card. It tells you how to take care of your jewelry. So the next thing I pull out is this little booklet, and it tells me how much the jewelry is. I love opening up this little box. It always reminds me of like getting a present, and I love when it comes in. So here are the little bags that the jewelry comes in. Every month they'll have a little bag that says RocksBox on it, or a black bag, or the brand name of the jewelry. So here is the first little dust bag. So let's take a look. What I really like about this subscription box is that they take care of the jewelry and how they send it to you. So I just wanted to show you guys. So here is this gold little dainty necklace. I love the little heart with the diamonds inside. Very pretty. Here is the second little bag. So let's take a look. So here is this little cuff with diamonds on each side. It's very pretty little detail, and I love that it's rose gold. Here is the last little RocksBox baggie. Let's take a look inside. I love bracelets that have this closure at the end. I find it a lot easier to put on, especially with one hand. So here is the bracelet. It is so pretty. I love the rainbow colors on it. I am loving the orange and pink that it has on it. Definitely much prettier in person because it is shining a lot more. You can see a little bit of the shine on camera, but it is shining a lot more off camera. It doesn't do it any justice. Very pretty, definitely very different. Down below is a link so that you can get a free month of RocksBox. I really do like this jewelry subscription. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.